Hello my friends, today I will have this for you. This is template for Fusion Davinci Resolve, and the links for this composition you can find on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. This one is slightly modified of the tutorial from JRTV, and the link for this tutorial will be under the video in video description. So let me show you now how to use it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library and folder where you extracted the file. And then you can just drag and drop subscribe button just like this. Connect to the media out. Press number 2 on the keyboard to look, and this is it. This is only thing you have to do. All is animated and ready to go. If you want to modify, just click and ungroup here, just like this, and I will show you. This is the background for the whole composition. Resolution you can change here in the background. Then I put the sticky notes so you can see and modify if you want. The text is here. Subscribe, this subscribe button text. This is background, red background. You can modify to another color if you want. Bell. This bell is only text. This is not any image. This is a WebThings font, and here is a white background. If you want, you can change also the color. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.